mnapata bursaries. Naomba kwamba mwambie watoto wetu wasome kwa bidii shuleni. Chimesa chikorwewa abana baromba bakole bidii. Bakole bidii. Na bali bakorwa ni Simba, bali bakorwa ni gavana kila lituko. Na tutoko batebia. Situache gavana nafasi afanye kazi. Mbali ngamo tabanga gavana aendelee kufanyia watu wa Kisii kazi.
Nataka kushukuru gavana kwa sababu kazi amefanya ya bursaries imeonekana. Watoto wetu wafanye nini? Wasome. Number 2, sisi kama contractors tuliamua kitu kimoja. Tulienda kwa gavana, mimi na secretary wangu na komiti yangu yote. Tukakubaliana tupatie nafasi gavana afanyie watu wa Kisii kazi.
Leo gavana wetu amekuja kulaunch mambo ya bursary kwa watu wetu wa Kisii Central Ward, Kisii Central Ward, Bobaracho, Kiogoro and Oyakumu. Excellency, nasema ni asante kwa kuamua kutupea bursary kwa hao wanafunzi wetu.
Ndiko kwa ramana mangete gavana mbia mona sokorete bursary abantu bari kanyireire tonya ba bisiye bantu bari kete kisigina tabe turogora control budget semoni onde myesi umaete kana omwe mshuri gete esigina changa bursary tayata kali gaba nokotanga nabana inchi abana na mwaba mukwana kwa niaba yabo enguni akwarwani yani bakurwani bakana ngara ya masomo yani karaka banale ko kama sakara ime dar kubon baba sakara mbona ko kubon mbona ko kama kama sakara yesku ko liteme tanga ngaba nubatu baba nuhore baba natalia ende serikali yeye tukwana ndaboto taitama ngenda kuna yeji pase yeji pase yeji atumsisikie kazi na chitia ujue tubakaire chini ya sabakaje ekagera bana tubache kobu oyo ukise ngoma ya bakaya na molemo ulile pase anaona kama nakala eti ndimo kumwaga chiko saitani asiwe.
Maneno ya kwanza ni kushukuru sababu bursary kutoka huko kwa village watu wetu wameumia sana wakingoja hii school fees ingie mfukoni mwao waende shule. Nashukuru gavana. Na nikishukuru gavana nasema wale ambao walijaribu kuzuia bursaries kuja iende kusaidia watoto wetu wakemewe na waambiwe hawakutumia akili hata kidogo, sababu hiyo ni kaunti mzima walikuwa na ground sababu ya kuleta fitina iweze saidia. Gavana, tunataka kukuhakikishia kuna audio ilikuwa inazunguka juzi ambayo tulizungumzia kwa assembly kama tumekasirika sana. Kwa ile audio tunasema hivi, Governor, if the current government will not protect you, hawa wananchi hao wako hapa, mtasimama to protect government. Kando na bursary, kazi inaendelea kwa ward zetu. Mimi nashukuru nimefanya maji, water springs, 20 of them zinaendelea kufanyika Kiogoro ward. Barabara zinaendelea kufanyika Kiogoro ward. ICD classes ziko kwa mpango. Bursary ndio hii. Situpatiwe time tufanye kazi. Tunataka tufanye kazi, tuko nyuma yako, tunashirikiana na wewe. Nikimalizia,
Boromo manete oyo omo ligete kisigina cha moyo le bursary. Mumaje nimo? Gagia gorogwa. Lakini hata wote ni raga, wote gavana tupatie bursary. Asante sana. Ase bursary yo watu ile. Ane tutorial ya kolegas, tuma sawa ndababugia kumu. Ige ngoni yos kirani ara korekana ase bugia kumu.
Your Excellency, katika Bobaracho ward hakuna vacuum. Umeona mimi niko hapa. Kwa yale maendeleo yote ambayo ungeleta Bobaracho ward, mimi niko na wewe. Nitasimama na wewe. Najua mmoja wetu ambao ni MCA wangu Mr. Ibrahim, yeye ndiye alikuwa mmoja wa wale wa 15 ambao walisema watu wasipate bursary. Abantu bami to ba Bobaracho mura mutagite monyore chibasari Robo kwana murenga omojumbo yokana magareti basari atika maganajo. Nchinaona munainwe nenga kiyonsi nimba munainwe ekaroga bana koreta magandro bobaracho ward. Abongote na gavana amana abantu bobaracho ward. Mwanchire boyo. Gavana koranche. Bobaracho ward tararo. Koranche gavana. Naonda munai. Na nitiluko babaishwa. Sitingiziki, niko na wewe imara. Bobaracho oye.
Pasa likia kateze ngoja ya koleki. Oyo rogo tiana kabisa na pasa lite ngoja ya kila sama buri. Kali pasa. Shame on them. Shame.
Pasa lija tenetikwe lakini wetero bangaini kwao manena nyasao ko igolere chichera lero itukwe ya itirani. Chaba etiga kwate batego bamaene paka ogatiana nyasaye tuma etia bande na nyasao yo chaba etimoko sasima ose nyasao ko betutu lakini abande ko sasima abantu bani ndo bana nyasao ko kene to ko sasima aba nere nyasao ro yao sasima de nyasao yeke nyasao yomo oyole igoro motongio totongete twes ora na bana takante chaba eti nga Chabeti gando sasima nyasaye bwekene ekiagera gatoko te kombo kusio kwane ngento kyo manenga egente kenkeremo echiche pasari igayate nenate asenge njama chikasoro chiagate nyarera iko ekagara mokangaina aba MC bali 15 ngasai nichisikina cha mokanya nga pasari te rugu chibesa chigatangu na ro lakini na nyasaye bunaro muya kaga aba nobo ngai baba na gaetansi ya mache pasari moyere gusitari moyo pasari muna kwa ichoreti chira sabana boss pinko nyora mole wetera skinguru chiagabana pasari yona toko kora kwena nele kama gabana kurwe ya kwera nande weekend gabana koletare pasari ya form 1 sige ko ruchi word chionsi PM rongene na isang kuna bwana chega ko rugwa siku kwa tienda rangane na isana ngomo totane ko bangana nga biribi wo chiko cha tarifu pasa de pasa ni kiara tu arwete egatigara ile chile hakile chikatagara ile toka form 2 form 3 na form 4 bwana form 1 nere tigarite e weekend inu iridi hata ko nyombe yo bwato mwana form 1 iridi hata pakalia soruto ya form ya weekend e chara mwa lakini ko sara kama banenya saba silimbi yamu kama nambia mono ekiagera twashemile the devil omuntu ogendese amutandao otebanga chiwesa chepasari na chichiago uletwa maburi mono lindo netutagetia maburi gaba norura amaburi hairende tokugikia ekiao otebatore ngaishindwe nado ochabwanja nana tevenge basari achire nanda arusichi yangantu bado ndokoleteti a challenge ya bege parenting nje nare gusaba aso bwanja niyo bonene abayibuli twatigire abana baita bake bakogenda chipihipiki chagakie nare ko basaba buno moyibuli nande sengencho governor is making efforts konwane na chibachinke at least ngo basegetale to ensure na bana baito bachire to school so that we can be able to prepare them for the future. Into baliba assembly 15 yetu abaruka kapengulia 15 yani to wana to basoira pengulia ngaka batiko okumero lakini esengenjo toko gende kanisa twababeye esengenjo yate batatu babere kabana nale bosabe mbura ya chakire botu oto okora chibasa liyechiga amabuli ali atikalete sokeria bangina bali.
I want to congratulate Your Excellency yako ya kibasari mchiaru wetu wake miaka ya 2013 nechi county chideti nyinge chiaru kibasari but Governor Simba Arati is not giving bursaries for the sake of giving bursaries igali kire kiro mwana echeki yaye oyomo chibata chiabo chisira erebia osere bobe therefore we can't just give bursaries for the sake of it. You give bursaries because you want to assist the needy, those who do not have, so that when they get these school fees they can pay and change their lives and that of their families. And His Excellency has shown the commitment. New Uruchi Basari Chiga through KCB Bank, which was COB 107 million, as in Jokonia Banabaito, Egerton Churriet South. Nanden Terega, Mushmu Simba, Igati to Simulatai. To Anchina Simba Molekile. Molekina Simba Molekile.
Your Excellency, I want to confirm this is my third term, and this is the second time for the last 12 years. Tokonyora 5 million, around 2014, and now we are going to get it. And specifically, Abana, very, very specific to their schools. I want to thank you. Kiagara, to discuss now the challenges we faced last time. The way we gave the money, you have taken it, and you have taken it to a higher level. Well, thank you so much. The Education Act 2013, education is compulsory. Of course, you have a primary school, but up to Form 4, Your Excellency, is basic. So, abana balegusi babwa tobotaka batali konyara wakane fees, Your Excellency, na abana. And I'm happy ngegero toko abana ebasari. We also give Baliwa Day schools, Your Excellency, because previously, even the bursaries from national government, the CDF, they only give in boarding schools. Abana, Your Excellency, about 7%, but school Cheto, they go to public schools, which are day schools. So I want to congratulate you for giving to day schools mostly. If you read the Gospel of John 10, from verse 11 to 18, it talks about the Good Shepherd. Your Excellency, you are the shepherd now of Kisii County. And the Good Shepherd are to make sure the devolved functions is the education, particularly on the ECD. And Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for appointing the ECD teachers to permanent pension board. Abarimu n'abange batakeire kiskuru nchiro chimiseti board noera muskabe obeba taraswa the next seat. Make sure to likere the gaps that are there. Egere no na abandi bara baigoli mbataitega asi imbaso mrete ECD bali ikwe as a matter of fact. I can assure you, Your Excellency, kiskuru nchire abana baito ba ECD but have very good classrooms, and you have undertaken it, Your Excellency, to give them very good classes. Please, Naroche, you have already advertised the classrooms, expedite the process, Your Excellency. Lastly, it's not related, Your Excellency, to education, but it's related to a very important aspect, which is agriculture. Your Excellency, I want to wait on Basmeka, we are not sure, Narrow just a budget here, Your Excellency. We have about 186 million. Please, Otaru one chaiga, Otogore, Amoyo, Aya topi, Egaravan to wait over Bato, Puchum, Chubanda Chitu, Chiame, Egere, Nadia Vana, Balito, Koire, Ratibasari, Vara Koleki, Vara Some. And lastly, I've seen 167 translates to about 3.7 million per ward. That means the 1.3, Your Excellency, for the Form 1s and the VCT is coming. So we are waiting. I want to congratulate you for a job well done, and for us as a county assembly, any legislation which is going to foster the unity and prosperity, we are going to support it.
Asante kwa kukumbuka wanyonge. 90%, Your Excellency, mimi mtu wa hesabu, 90% ya watu wako wanaenda shule wako chini kifedha. Abantu abange bakiniro botaka amaene gosobolimu. Bondi, Your Excellency, we thank you for this. Ndiye muna so kunyora abantu bao. Kabiri, Your Excellency, serikali biere maega otole yasago semie enkore yaonengia. Wewe ni mpole, mnyenyekevu, mtu wa kusema ukweli, omuntu muya otunilie visio na kiboko.
They tried to call Chipasal but here they are today. Lakini rende Genomo speaker tinda kwa na mange. I know today iko tore gase nje basari tokonya abana baito lakini akawatuana ngebunge twangocha asengenjo kaba nanje tabantu baito epiri nerarenta igari ya nyagitari tome kisuone nyagitari ito ya soira okore gase njireta keire because without edit ya bantu baito there will be no production, there will not be productive wa watu wa minto.